this is the trap that I trapped them in, with these little morsels around, and this, they walk on there and it tips up like that. And it drops them in there, didn't I? Kill them, not. Move along, little fellow. I just caught you. Now I'm going to kill you because I hate mice. Or will I? I don't know. Let's see what happens here. There he goes, look. Look at him. Look at that mouse there. Look at that little fellow. I can't see you, little mouse. There you are. Off you go. You've been released into the wild because I cannot kill you, you little fellow. Good.
That's all, folks.